Hi guys, so today let's talk about fodder when it comes to dairy farming. And when I say dairy farming, I mean dairy cows, dairy goats, all sort of for milk for purposes. So we have different fodder that you can plant for maximum milk production and for the growth, reproduction, and the body condition of your cows. So here we have a type of grass called Bracharia. This is Bracharia morato 2, as you can see it here. And on top here we have what we call Super Napier Pakchong 1. So we have different types of fodders. We have Cariadra, we have sweet potato vines. We have different types of fodder. So it's upon you as a farmer or upcoming dairy farmer. You decide on which that you want. So uh, there's a lot of misconception that goes on when it comes to which is the best fodder. Yeah. So of late, Super Napier have been trading. Uh, People saying it is having a crude protein of 18.0 and all that. So as a dairy farmer myself, I can tell you that the main advantage of this Super Napier is its growth rate, and it is very soft, palatable. That is when it comes to, if you see like these sticks, yeah, the stems, they are very soft when it comes to dairy. When the cows are all goats they are eating, yeah, once you chop them either using the silage chopper or chaff cutter, it becomes very palatable and very soft for the cow or the goat to eat. Another thing about these bracharia is that the crude content is very high. And as a type of grass, the way to preserve this is by just bearing, yeah, as a hay. For the Super Napier, you can either make a silage of it. Mostly is making silage of it, yeah. But I would prefer the crude protein or the energy and levels of the Super Napier when ensiled is not that great, yeah. So I would advise you will just give it the way it is. If you want to make silage and quality silage, just do what we call maize or corn. Or we have other type of fodder called the sorghum. Yeah, we have sorghum. You can make silage out of those. But for these, all you need is just to bear it. Yeah, you let it wilt. Do not bear it when it is green or when you have already when it is freshly cut. So make sure you have wilted it for a day or two, depending on the climate of your location, and then uh, you put it into hay, as you can see. So this is exactly how it looks like. Yeah. So this is very good when it comes for milk purposes. This is very good. Yeah. And also ensure that you have fodder security. Look at all that trays. That is Super Napier, all that. This is Bracharia. On down there we have Super K vines, a type of sweet potato vines. Yeah, it has also great and higher crude protein. So once you have all these, then you have to add concentrate. Yeah. For Super Napier, the concentrate that you can use is you can add some maize germ for energy purposes and some canola or cotton seed cake for so that you can have energy protein ratio well when you are making TMR. Yeah. So you can also add hay, or you can cut these bracharia. You mix with Super Napier, and then you add for heifers and the growing animals. You can add maize germ and wheat bran. Yeah. But for lactating, you need the dairy meal as a concentrate. And remember, good clean fresh water and also quality mineral salt. It will work well. And then ensure you have good management. When it comes to management, screening, timely vaccination, all those you have to watch all those steps. And the cow comfort is another thing. Ensure that where your cow or goat strips is very dry. Yeah, if it is a case of goat, make sure you clean it each and every day, and also ensure biosecurity to your cow shed or to your animal structures. Yeah, with that, I can guarantee you that these things are practical. I can guarantee you that you can go far as a farmer in general. So I'll be updating different videos, and I'll be showing you and teaching you one or two things each and every day, so that we can grow this channel and we can keep on educating farmers. So for now, hope you have learned one or two things. See you in the next video.